So this is it, yeah?
This is it.
I think this is far more manageable.
In this kiln, limestone will be heated to 900 degrees.
Easy to fire, so hopefully at the end of the 4 days here you'll have some lime to be able to use on your project.
Fantastic.
Stafford Homes helped restore the kiln and will be in charge of loading it.
Well, these are certainly in much better condition, these kilns, than the ones we've got down in Morwellham.
Well, they should be. They've been very carefully repaired.
When were these kilns in operation?
The last time they were burnt continuously was probably around the 1950s.
So this is limestone, and we need to turn this into quicklime.
That's right.
And how do we do that?
We apply heat to it basically, and that involves, with this kiln, creating a fire at the bottom, which we start with wood, then we put a layer of coal, and then layers of limestone, layers of coal, right up to the top of the kiln.
Well, I suppose the fumes are toxic coming out the top.
That's right, yes. It's something which, you know, you have to respect. The whole process, you know, involves a lot of chemistry, but the reality is it's a very caustic material. It can burn your skin. So we've got to be very sensible about the way we go about this.
It's Peter's job to ensure the critical first layer of limestone is spread evenly.
Right. Watch yourself.
It's looking good.
Next, a layer of coal. Then another layer of limestone.
Will be 25 shovelfuls.
Stafford's concerned that unless the amounts in each layer are precise, a constant 900 degrees won't be maintained, and no quicklime will be produced.
So we're looking at quite a few layers here, aren't we?
Total of 15 layers of fuel and 15 layers of stone. 100 kilograms, 20 shovels.
So every shovelful is counted in.
18, 19.
But the level of precision necessary means the loading is taking longer than the boys had hoped. By early evening, there's barely a ton loaded.
Moon's out. So we've got enough moonlight.
It's late, and the kiln's barely half full. Loading it by hand is taking its toll.
28. 30. Oh no, stop!
31.
What do I do?
He's becoming delirious.
33. Doing this completely by hand has given us a real insight into what it must have been like to load these things. I mean, they would have had trains delivering the materials here, but I wouldn't have been surprised if these have to be stacked in this way, that it would have been a man with a shovel doing all this work.
After 18 hours of shoveling, 12 tons of limestone and 3 tons of coal have been loaded.
There we go.
That's it all in.
Finally, it's time to light the
You
kiln.
ready for an ember, yeah? Where do you want it? Just here?
Yeah. Paper, yeah, just get the paper going.
It's getting exciting here. And it's starting to go.
Gases produced by burning limestone include the deadly carbon monoxide.
Wow.
There's no going back now. It's as if somebody down below is stoking some
Hellfire.
yeah, some hellfire, some mysterious brew, really, isn't it? During the 19th and early part of the century, when there was a lot of rural poverty around, people who were on the road would come and sort of sleep around the kilns. And if the carbon monoxide rendered them unconscious and they turned over, rolled into the furnace, there was no way back. They were roasted alive.
Now they must take it in turns to keep watch on the lime kiln for 3 days and 3 nights.